If you're cleaning baby bottles at home, then you're gonna need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is a little baby bottle. They come in all different shapes and sizes, but with these bottles, you get nipples, the anti-colic inserts here, all sorts of little parts. Maybe you have breast pumps, the little nipples that go with this, the valves, all those things. A lot of small parts for a lot of small babies need to be cleaned with small cleaning tools. And that's why I picked up this. It's by Boon Cacti. And you might know Boon because they make some of the drying trays. I've reviewed those in a different video. They are amazing. But this is a perfect companion for it. So this is what you get. Let's take a close look. So what we have here is a little, kind of like a cup that contains all of the cleaning supplies that you really need for all those small parts here. So first I want to show you, we have this big outer plastic cup here, and this inner piece here comes out. So if you do get moisture in here, which you are invariably going to do, you can see we have little drain holes on the bottom. That'll go in here so you can pull these apart and clean this out really thoroughly. Just make sure everything is nice and safe, right? But in the meantime, it's going to go in here, and you can see we have little tabs, so it will snap in there so it won't come apart on its own. Now what you have in here are a couple of really great little tools here. So first of all, they all look like cacti, so it's going to match that lawn drying rack that you have. But if I pull this out here, we have a little scrub brush. You know, this is probably a centimeter in diameter. This is going to be great for cleaning out the inside of tiny bottles, those types of things. We also have this U-shaped brush here. This is going to be good for getting into the larger bottles. Then we have right here a very fine bristle brush here. It's kind of like a pipe cleaner, and so this is going to be good for maybe the little tubes and the little openings, especially in the breast pumps if you're using that. And then we have a large one, looks like a regular cactus here, and this is kind of your big brush, and this is going to be good for your normal size baby bottles. You can plunge that all the way in there, scrub out, you know, any of the formula or anything that gets stuck in there. So this little thing is all you need. A lot of different size brushes here for all the different sized contraptions that you have for your young one. So if you want to pick this little bad boy up, I think it's really, really useful. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.